Hey there, everybody. Thank you for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. This is the 6th and final episode in my multi-part series, officially titled Installing a Murphy Bed with Additional Storage. Although, as you know, I've been giving it the shorthand title, My Photography Room Project, since that is the original reason why I wanted to do this project in the beginning anyway, which was to give myself some space in our house to practice photography without losing the guest room. As I wrapped up the last episode, I had cut the countertops to size. I took them upstairs and put them on the cabinets just to confirm the fit. And of course, I showed you the drop front desk with the struts that are too small, and I've had to fix that. I've gone ahead now and made the upper shelf units for the project. No need to record a bunch of footage of my doing that, since the carcasses for the shelves are basically the same as the base cabinets that I made. They're just shallower, 11.5 inches deep with no drawers or cabinet doors. And once those are finished, it's up to the bedroom to install them. Okay, so I have moved my chop saw and some other stuff into the room. It's a tiny room, so at least it's smaller than my shop, so I'm not going to have room for all my camera equipment, so I thought I'd just record some of the stuff that I'm going to be working on. At this point, before I just set things down, at least set the camera down and get started, basically I finished the shelves, the 3 main shelf units, and I've added a small roundover to the side of the countertops, and I've added some domino slots on the sides that connect in this 3-piece section of the countertops, just to help with alignment. I'm gonna go ahead and glue those up and then attach them to the cabinets. And I'm thinking, given the grain, I'm gonna elongate the holes somewhere around here on the top front of the cabinets, just to allow for seasonal expansion. But yeah, basically now I'm just going to glue up the countertops, install them, then put the shelf units on, and start trimming this out. I decided to use smaller cove crown molding for this project as opposed to the colonial that I originally drew up. I just thought, given the size of the room and 8-foot ceilings, it just looked better. And you'll notice that I did not put that corner shelf unit in there that I had in the original design. Reason being, when I cut the carpet up and removed the baseboards, I saw some sheet metal on the floor, which I'm sure the builder put in the wall so you wouldn't nail into that return vent. So with that and the otherwise lack of available studs, I didn't think a corner shelf was going to work. So you'll see those L brackets. What I might do is just make like another walnut shelf to match the countertops, or perhaps a live edge piece to finish that corner out. now it is time to paint. Here's my equipment. And since I'm spraying, I didn't bring any camera equipment inside the zip wall there. But there's a little bit of painting at the end as I finish up. I'll be able to show you. But here we go. And that is it. I hope you have found this useful. I have really enjoyed working on this project and sharing it with you. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you get notifications of future content, including the next episode, which will be a post-mortem on this project. I like doing this for all big projects. One, it helps me learn. And also, if you are planning on doing this yourself, you might as well learn from my mistakes. Because I'll go through things that, what worked, what didn't work, and things I would definitely do different if I started this project again today. So stay tuned for that. And until then, bye for now.
Big shit.